Update here. I got most of that dent hammered out. It's not completely finished yet, but it looks pretty fucking fantastic for about 10 minutes with a spray can outside. So don't judge me. Let's see, I got a new cover on the engine without a crack in it. That was no big deal. The other light is cleaned up. I don't know if I got that on video or not. There's the corner light replaced. Hubcap replaced. So this side's looking a hell of a lot better. The quarter panels that were there were two the right color, but they were both really messed up. One was smashed like this one, and the other one was rusted through. Bumper wasn't in good shape either. So we wait on good stuff. Nothing done to the interior yet. I still haven't even vacuumed it out yet, but looking pretty good.